Hi everyone. Which of the following statement is wrong for gases? Gases do not have definite shape and volume. Volume of the gas is equal to the volume of the container confining the gas. Confined gas exert uniform pressure on the wall of the container in all directions. Mass of the gas cannot be determined by weighing a container in which it is contained. So gases do not have definite shape and volume. This is also correct. Yeah, it doesn't have definite shape and it doesn't have any definite volume. It can occupy as much volume as it can. Okay, depends upon the pressure and the temperature. More the pressure, less volume, less the pressure, more volume. Okay, so it depends upon the factors, but the shape and volume is not definite. Okay, volume of the gas is equal to the volume of the container confining the gas. If I am talking about this volume of the gas in this container, so whatever the volume of the container is there, that will be the volume of the gas. Confined gas exert uniform pressure. Yeah, it does exert uniform pressure on the walls of the container in all directions. Mass of the gas cannot be determined by weighing a container in which it is contained. Why not? It can be determined. First, we will take a evacuated beaker. Okay, evacuated beaker, that means there is no gas here. First we will weight this one. Okay, that is in vacuum state. Then we will put the gas in this container. Now the gas is there in this container. Okay, now again we will weigh this. So suppose the weight is coming weight W2. So W2 minus W1 will give me the mass of gas. Okay, so we can determine the mass of gas. That's why this option is wrong for gases. Okay, I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.